Hi there, welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to add new disk to Windows virtual machine running on Proxmox. Select your Windows machine and go to hardware. Click add button and select hard disk. Make sure bus device is SCSI. Choose your local storage, disk size. You can check this card and cache write through. Click add. Now you have two disks. Log into your Windows machine and go to start. Type disk and open create and format hard disk partitions. Now you will get pop-up to initialize your new disk. Choose MBR and OK. Now click on your disk. On unallocated space, right click, new simple volume. Next. You can choose letter or leave default. Next. You can choose your volume label. And finish. Now you can check in File Explorer that you have two partitions, C and D drive. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.